Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And what's about for today? Oh, it's again a digraph. Whenever two letters join together, they give us a single sound and we call it digraph. So for today, we have to focus on E-digraph. E-digraph. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify and write E words. So let's start it. Okay, student, look at here. What is this? This is a tree. This is a tree. And look at here. What is this? Boom, boom. This is a bee. This is a bee. A tree, a bee. And look at here. What is there? Feet. Feet. And there, seeds. Seed. Heel. Heel. Sheet. Name it. Sheet. Good. And what is there? Teeth. It's teeth. And baa. Sheep. Sheep. What you can do, you can distribute all of these flashcards among the students and let them name the picture. Sheep, teeth, sheet, heel, seed, feet, tree, and bee. So students, can you please tell me, is there any common sound in all of these names of the objects? Yes, it is E. It is E. It is E. Very good. Now what you can do, you can draw the pictures on the board or you can paste the flashcard and tell them how to write, how to make words with this very digraph. Look at here. So what is this? This is tree. This is tree. T, E. Okay. T, E. This is tree. Look at here. This is B. 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 E. B. B. E. B. Now look at here. Feet. Feet. Eat. Feet. Feet. Look at here. Eat. Seed. Now what you can do, you can redistribute the flashcard and you can ask them to look at the picture and try to write down the name of the picture at the back of the flashcard. After doing this activity, what you can do, you can ask them to open their books and you can tell them to put their hands on your head like this and flap them up and down like this and try to produce of the sound or the voice produced by a donkey like this. E. 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 After this, what you can do, you can invite them for the reading and you can encourage them to read the words by themselves. You can encourage them to name all the pictures given here and try to solve this exercise individually. As a pair work, what you can do, you can ask them to take a piece of paper and draw a tree like this and try to write out E words by themselves on the flashcard or a piece of paper. As a homework, you can assign them a task to write down or to enlist words in their notebooks and try to make pictures according to the words. We recommend you to spend at least 3 periods for this very digraph. Thank you very much.